Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to switch account in Instagram. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first, open your Instagram, and at the bottom left corner click on your profile picture, and after clicking on the profile picture, at the top right corner click on the three arrows, and then go on setting and scroll down and press on logout. Press logout. Then as you guys can see, there are two accounts over here. So if these accounts don't show up, then you have to log into it. So if you haven't logged into your account already on your mobile phone, then you just have to click on switch account and log in, and next time when you do all these steps, then your account will show up like this. Look at my two accounts. So I'm going to switch to Witchy Kevin, click on login, and boom, that's how you switch your account on Instagram. So if you guys like my videos, be sure to like and subscribe and notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.